This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then open the Google search engine, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, then go for it. Onwards, once the web page gets loaded, find the download the app from Epic Games blue link, tap on it, confirm the file download, then open the file, allow any browser that you've used, in my case it's Google Chrome, to install unknown apps. Then get back and confirm that you would like to still install the Epic Games launcher. Once it gets successfully installed, you will need to open it, obviously. Then tap at the Get button in front of a Fortnite, and then at the blue or any other color that you have install button. As you can see, once the game is ready to be installed, it asks that we do the same thing we did for Google Chrome, thus allow Epic Games Launcher to install apps. So just do exactly the same, turn on this toggle, allow from the source, then confirm the game installation. And after it gets successfully installed, all that is left to do is to launch it, and in here simply wait for the Fortnite to get all its necessary updates and resources downloaded, and after that you will be able to finally start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.